Good morning, grade 4. Now I will explain exercises on congruency. The first example, in the opposite figure, if triangle ABC congruent to triangle ZYX. Okay, triangle ABC congruent to triangle ZYX. Attention with me to know. If I have two congruent triangle, I should remember the two conditions. Each corresponding angles equal in measure and each corresponding sides equal in length. Okay, so that I can know the opposite angles or corresponding angles and the corresponding sides by two methods. The first method from the figures or from the shapes. The second method from letters. I will explain from letters. From sides you can by your eyes. You can say measure angle Y equal measure angle B and measure angle C. You don't, but or you can't determine measure angle C equal Z or measure angle C equal X. And AB equal AXY or AB equal YZ and AC equal XZ. So that if you want to know the angles and the sides, the excellent method from letters. It is very important and nice and easy. Okay, the first letter equal the first letter, second letter second letter, and third letter equal third letter. What's the third letter, mister? Third letter is angles. When I know angles, attention with me. The angles will be angle A is the first letter. This mark it means congruent. Congruent angle Z, the first letter. Congruent, the first letter. Number 2, angle B congruent angle Y. Angle B congruent angle Y. Number 3, angle C congruent angle X. Angle C congruent angle X. Excellent. What about sides? I will write the sides here. The first letter, this is the first letter, number 2, letter number 2, letter number 3, and here letter number 1, number 2, number 3. Okay, 1 and 2 it will make side. Okay, 1 and 2 make side. I should read side, sorry, and right side by 2 letter. Line segment AB, don't forget line segment, congruent 1 and 2, 1 and 2, ZY, line segment ZY. Number 2, line segment 2 and 3 equal line segment 2 and 3. Okay, 2 and 3, this is BC, congruent to side YX. Number 3, 1 and 3, line segment AC congruent with line segment ZX. When you know from letter, it will be easy and quickly. You can solve it quickly. You should write numbers over the letters and write angles equal each other and write side congruent with each other. Okay, so that I will go to solve. Yx equal y, yx congruent with line segment BC. Measure angle A congruent with angle Z. Mister, you forget to write the mark of line segment. Excellent. So that I should write the mark of line segment if I have congruent mark. Okay. Now I have measure, so that I should write number and write equal. I can't write measure and congruent. Okay. Measure angle B equal what? You should see measure angle B congruent with what? Angle B congruent with angle Y, so that measure angle B equal measure angle Y and measure angle Y equal 110, so that I will write 110. ZY equal, when I write equal, I can't write the mark of line segment. When I write equal, I can't write the mark of line segment. ZY equal, ZY mister equal AB, congruent with AB, so that AB equal 4 centimeter, so that ZY equal 4 centimeter. The next example. In the opposite figure, the polygon ABCDEF congruent with the polygon ABXYZ. K. How can I write the polygons? I write the polygons by any letter and in order. I can't write A, Z, D, Y, X. I should write in order. A, B, X, Y, Z, D, K. A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay? Now I want to know the angles and sides as the previous example. Attention with me. 1. I will write numbers. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. When I write the angles as the last example, the A equal A, angle B congruent angle B, angle C congruent angle X, angle D congruent angle Y, angle E congruent angle Z, angle F congruent with angle K. Okay, mister, I can't understand. How can I write angle A congruent with angle A and the angle B congruent with angle B? When you write the same angle at the two polygon, it is, I called it as a common angle, or you should see the angle is in the figure. Okay, angle A here and the left polygon, A here. How can I read this angle? You should mention the letter before A and the letter after A. Okay. When I read the angle here, it will be angle. Attention with me. I should read it by 3 letters. I can't read it by 1 letter. Okay. K A B angle K A B congruent with angle. Huh? Who can tell me as the polygon at the right? Attention with me. What's the letter before A is F, mister. What's the letter after A is B, mister. B is common. Yes, excellent. So that it will be F A B congruent with angle F A B. If you attention with me, you can see the letter A in the middle between these two letters and the middle between these two letters. Mister, can I solve angle B or depend on myself? Okay, you can. Attention with me. The first step, mister, I should know what the letter before C. before B, sorry. This is the letter before B is C. Excellent. This is right polygon. You should start as you start by the left polygon. Okay, mister. I will start by left. The letter before B is X, so that I will write X and write B in the middle. What's the letter after B, mister? This A. Excellent. So that you should write A after B. The mark of congruent. Angle. What about the right polygon? The letter before B is C, mister. So that I should write C. And write B in the middle. What's the letter after B, mister? Is A. So that I should write A after B. Okay, so that angle KAB congruent with angle FAB and angle XBA congruent with angle CBA. You should mention the letter before and after and no. Okay. The other angles, it will be easy. C equal X letter, it is, I can write by one letter. Okay. Now I want to know CD congruent with what? CD, mister, congruent with CD. I will see the number of CD. 3 and 4. Okay, it will be congruent with 3 and 4. 3 and 4, XY. It's very easy, mister. Excellent. And don't forget the mark of line segment. Angle X equal what? Angle X is number 3, mister. So that equal angle C, number 3. Excellent. KA equal what? KA is number 6 and 1. It will be equal 6 and 1 here. It will be equal angle side FA. It's very easy, mister. When I write numbers above the letters. Excellent. Yes. Angle Y, measure angle Y equal measure angle what? Angle Y is number 4, so that it will be measure angle D, number 4. Excellent. Mister, measure angle BAK. BAK equal measure angle BAF. Excellent. BAF. The last one, measure angle CBA equal measure angle what? CBA equal measure angle XBA. So that at the first you should write the angles common, the letter common between the two polygons. After that you can solve this example. Thank you, grade 4. You should solve the sheet. I will send it to you. And if you need anything, ask me. I will help you. Thank you.